Top 5 Mobile Apps for Intraday Trading. The role of mobile applications for intraday trading is growing with each passing day. By installing the right mobile application, the investor can track the price of stocks. In this video, we shall have a look at the top 5 mobile applications for Android and iOS platforms that are very useful for intraday traders. Number 1. Moneycontrol. It is the most popular mobile application for stock trading. The app provides vast details about stock markets. It is easy to track the stock prices using this app. You will find all the latest news and information about the stock markets and companies on this app. Network 18 owns the app. Number 2. Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance app is a classic mobile app for intraday trading. It provides real-time stock updates. The application provides news and information of the stocks. It offers live streaming of NSE and BSE quotes. It gives you the option to create unlimited watch lists. Number 3. NSE Mobile Trading App. NSE Mobile Trading Application provides live streaming of NSE quotes and market monitoring features. The analytical charts help the trader to understand the daily movement of the stock prices. The application provides trading across different asset classes like equities, commodities, currency, offer for sale, etc. Number 4. IIFL Markets. IIFL Markets app provides live quotes, news, information, and charts of different stocks. The app provides experts' view on different stocks. It also suggests the traders on taking positions in different scripts. Some interesting features on the app include price alert messages, customization watch list, etc. India Infoline Limited owns this app. Number 5. BSE India. BSE India mobile application provides the happenings of the stock markets in 9 different languages. The app provides quick updates on company results, announcements, board meetings, etc. The live quotes, along with the graphs and other details, help the intraday traders to take the right position. For more knowledge and information, visit our website, www.niftytradingacademy.net.